Hey guys, Jeremy here with Oak Hill Iron Plus Wood. Today we're here at our shop in Oak Hill. We're loading our dehumidifier kiln for drying and sterilization. A very important step in processing all of our wood. Here we have Francisco and Camille evening out the base layer to create a flush drying surface to ensure the rest of the load will be stable and even. Everything is loaded onto the track system of the kiln, which is built specifically for our kiln system. Then each car will be pushed into the kiln as they are loaded. We have to make sure all of the wood is level and flat as possible for the best outcome. Precisely stacking and arranging each piece in order to assure best quality product.
Hey guys, welcome to Oak Hill Iron Works Plus Wood. Today we got the kiln nice and loaded, full of green wood. Well, 3 years old, air dry, and it's going back in to get dried and sterilized. It's going to be ready in the next couple months. Ready on your store, Oak Hill Iron Works Plus Wood in downtown Morganton. Thank you very much. Thumbs up, like, and subscribe. We see ya.